Hello, my name is Russell Boudry, Router Product Manager here at MultiCam. Today I'm here to introduce to you our flagship CNC router, the APEX3R. Now this particular model that I'm standing in front of is our #1 seller, a 5x10 size. It's configured with an automatic tool changing spindle and dual knives. Now this model comes in a variety of different sizes, anything from widths of 48 inches up to 84 inches wide, and lengths up to 20 foot long. Our spindles also have the options of 4 horsepower to 13 horsepower, 24,000 RPMs, up to 30,000+ RPM spindles. I'd like to point out a few important features about your APEX3R system. You're going to be receiving a 3/8 tube steel, all welded frame. Now, this is stress relieved and milled in-house so that the datums for the rack and the rail are within 1/1000th parallel, providing true perpendicular and parallel cuts. Now, we also have steel gantry with cast steel risers. This works together to provide vibration dampening within the whole system. It's coupled with a high-quality helical rack and pinion, coupled with strong servos and high-precision gearboxes. This is going to provide you the torque, speed, and fluid motion you expect in your CNC router. This 3R features an automatic tool changing spindle that comes in 5.5 or 8.5 horsepower and is over 30,000 RPMs. Now what those RPMs do above 24K is allows you to have superior edge quality on hard plastics and soft aluminum. It also features a linear tool changer rack, so that the machine can go over and automatically drop off and pick up tools. On our 48-inch wide machine that comes with 6, this model comes with 8, and our 84-inch wide model comes with 11. There's also a rotary tool changer option that allows you to have 12 tool change on the end of the gantry. I want to introduce to you our dual tangential knife system. Now this knife system comes with oscillator. It can be electric or pneumatic. Electric is perfect for products like paper or cardboard, and pneumatic is great for more industrial grade products like dense foam or maybe rubber or gasket material. Our pneumatic tangential knife allows you to have a variety of different knives, anything from a creasing wheel, vinyl knife, angle cutting, and multiple styles of drag knives. Now it's also set up to have an option for our linear tool changer, which actually allows the machine to automatically go pick up these different knives. For a great example would be something like a crease and cut. This is a great option for any kind of paper products that go from cardboard all the way to falcon board. Additional features for this machine include a misting unit. It allows you to easily adjust the air and or liquid form to products like aluminum. We also have a surfacing probe, allowing the operator to easily detect the top or the bottom of the material, as well as a calibration tool sensor. We have a laser pointer, bright red crosshairs allowing you to jog over to the corner of material and set a working soft home. And finally, a MultiVision allows you to bring up registration marks and accurately cut prints out. In conclusion, the APEX3R with its steel foundation, multiple configurations, and automated features equals a tremendous variety of processes and materials to increase your daily productivity, making an easy return on investment. You're buying best-in-class cut quality, superior accuracy with a machine that's highly reliable and built to last.